If you give me your 4 minutes, I'm gonna make you fluent speaker, and you do not have to speak like before. You do not have to get stuck when you use sentences. You do not have to think about sentences you have already learned right anywhere. So I'm gonna tell you three secret tips that everybody uses. Like if you think about any fluent speaker, they might have used these same three tricks. So you have to watch this video till then in order to get these three tricks, right? So the first one is like what happens when we try to speak, what we do. The Indians, most of the Indians think like first, yeah, I have to think about that. We have to talk about that. We have to speak about that. So what do we do? We just try to translate everything in a way, right? So you do not have to do that. You do not have to translate everything. You can translate, but it doesn't go with everything. You do not have to use all the sentences for translation. What you can do instead, first you have to start speaking small sentences like I'm thinking, I'm going, I want to do this, I cannot do this, I'm about to go somewhere. You can use these sentences. So it won't tell you anything. The listener will just think this person is like a fluent speaker, and it will just boost your confidence. And the second trick is like, this is the secret tricks, by the way. The first one was stop translating. You have to use small sentences to become fluent speaker. And the second one is here, use ready-made sentences. You do not have to learn everything of this language. You have to use those words. You have to learn those words, which is like almost on everyone's mouth, right? You can just say like, actually, I wonder, I think, what do I feel, like those sentences, those expression, right? Actually, I want to say this. Like those sentences will make you fluent speaker, right? So you do not have to learn everything. You do not have to learn those words which cannot be used in your daily life, right? So you have to use ready-made sentences, right? So the third secret trick is speak without fear. So you might have observed, you might have felt, when you try to speak, you just think, if I make a mistake, they will laugh at me, they will make fun of me, they will mock me, right? You might have thought like that. You might have felt this feeling, right? So I would just say you do not have to worry about them. Let them do anything. You do not have to care about them. And I will tell you one thing, the truth. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares. Nobody even think about you. Whatever you do, however you speak, they don't care. They just care about only one thing. How are you evolving? How are you growing, right? That's the thing. So you do not have to afraid of making mistakes. You have to speak whatever comes in your head. First you will make mistakes, but gradually you will speak like a fluent speaker. So these were the tricks you have to use, right? The first one was stop translating. The second one, use ready-made sentences. And the third one, you have to speak without fear. You do not have to care about anything. So if you have enjoyed, if you have learned something new, just let me know in the comment section and what you feel after watching this video. We haven't even completed the 4 minutes. I have just taken your less than that, right? So thanks for watching.